have a pretty good app to review this week. It's called My Maps Editor by Google. If you just search in the market for My Maps, you'll be able to find it. It's a free app. It's been around for a while now. It's kind of one of those apps that I installed when it first came out, and I had used it quite a bit. And, several wipes later, I'd forgotten about it. So I reinstalled this app on my phone, and I'm really still liking it. It's a lot like the map editor on the desktop. It has the same feature set. It's pretty feature complete. It includes such great things as pinch to zoom if you have multi-touch on your phone, and you can add lines, shapes, specific addresses, photos, right to the map from the phone. So
Okay.
I guess I was just impressed with how many features they were able to bring over, from the desktop application.
Mhm.
So, but it does add a couple of things like GPS. It'll find your location, and I like using it to map trails. So we have a lot of hiking trails and stuff around here.
Hiking's fun. That's
So,
cool.
I don't know. It's especially with spring on. It's a really nice app.
Does it do anything with Google Latitude?
Well, no.
No.
But you can create maps and stuff on there and email them to anybody, text them to somebody, and it'll click right through in the browser. So
Now I've seen a lot of these kind of things, and sometimes like you can also take that. Is it stored in just a regular like GPS kind of data format?
it has a couple different options. You can export it so you can put it into Google Earth if you wanted to.
Yeah.
So there's all
Cool.
kinds of good stuff.
Yeah, because I've seen that used a lot where like people will take photos or like a photo walk or something, and they'll add those photos to their little trail that they took as they went around.
Yeah, and that's exactly what you can do with this.
Cool.
So you can mark each individual
Oh
spot.
yes, I see that in the notes.
So yeah, it really does have it's a really dense application because it's pretty easy to get into, and then there's this whole another layer that once you start mastering some of the more advanced features of it, you could do a lot of cool stuff with maps.
Oh.
So it's fun to play around with.
So can you import that into like a Google Maps and post it on a website?
Yeah, you can view it right in your desktop browser, and you can embed it right onto any website. They have the code just hanging right over there on the side.
Oh, I have an idea.
So
I'm getting ideas already. That's awesome. And
Yeah.
you just do it on your phone.
yeah. So, and the whole thing syncs right up to your account. So if you've made any other maps on your desktop browser, you'll be able to view those and edit them right on your phone. And it's the same way. You could finish another map on the desktop later that you were making out in the field.
I thought this was kind of nerdy at first, but
It's
now
I
see
don't
it's
know.
awesome.
It is, but like it's one of those accessible nerdy things.
Yeah. This is actually
I've
kind
got
of cool.
quite a few trails mapped out of Elisharp using that. Well, not
Really?
using my maps editor, but I've used Google's map thing, one of the other ones, and then you can edit it with that my maps editor.
Yeah.
Huh.
Well, there's other applications that like some of the run applications.
Yeah.
Well, export those files. Those can be imported right into this.
Ooh.
You know what I mean? And you can edit those maps. So like if you export it and have it saved to your My Maps, you could show that to somebody, right off of your phone or have it on the desktop. So I mean, it's a very powerful application.
Yeah.
Powerful.
I wish there were enough techie people in Jackson that we could do like some kind of scavenger hunt or something with
Yes.
that.
That's what geocaching's for.
I know.
There's
This would
some.
be cool because then you could put it on the website in a viewable format.
Yeah.